Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Fly High with Kashish. I hope you are doing really well. And today I'm going out, so I thought I will make videos that how I do my makeup while going out. So let's start the video. I will comb my hairs. So I will just apply sunscreen and then simple compact. So actually I have already applied that, so I will just apply some eyeshadow. Eyeshadow of purple color. Very light eyeshadow. Now I'm done with my eyeshadow and I will just make my eyebrows. Black color from the eye palette as usual. It's done because I'm doing so much light makeup today. I will apply eyeliner. No eyeliner today, just mascara. Done with my mascara. Now it's time to apply lipstick. So firstly, lip balm of Vaseline to moisturize your lips. ज़्यादा लगाना चाहिए because it makes our lips look glossy and shiny. Now I will apply light shade of lipstick. This is of My Glam. Creamy matte lipstick of My Glam, and yeah, that's it. Nothing is written. My makeup, that's all for today. I will meet you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.